Okay, here we go. Section 1, 16 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Warming up. Keep it up. Two more. Last one. Now going to 3 strings, example number 3. Don't stop. Keep the alternate picking going. Last one. Example number 4 coming up. 4 strings. Two more. Last one. Going on to example number 5. All 6 strings. A minor. Should we try it? A minor. Stay loose. Two more. Last one. Going on to example number 6. 2 string tries. Two more. Example number 7. 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, last one, number 8. 2, 3, 4, 4 more, 3 more, going into 9, right? 2 more. Last one. Going into 9. 2, 3, 4 more. 3 more. Last one. Okay, now we're going to do it in